Okay, let's look at the homework 4.1, 4.2, number 17, right? So what we want to do is we want to solve this system of linear equations using augmented matrix method, right? So let's do that. Right, so first we have to make a matrix. So we're going to go to matrix, right? Then I'm going to edit uh, matrix A. So I'll choose 1. Right, so this is going to be 2 rows and 3 columns. So it's a 2, enter, 3, enter. Alright, then coefficient is 2, enter, -1, enter, and the 7, right? So that's the first row. Second row is 1, enter, and 3, enter, and 14, enter. Right? So we can just quit and go back to regular screen and go to matrix, right? 1, enter. Right? So this is a matrix 2, -1, 7, and 1, 3, 14. Right? So first thing is we would like to get a 1 here. So this is a leftmost non-zero element, so it's got to be 1. But there's 1 sitting right here, so I'm going to do switch rows. Right? So I'm going to go to matrix, right? And right arrow to go to math, right? Then I'm going to hit up arrow to go to here's a row swap. It's what we want. So 1, 2, 3. Right, so we're going to do that, right? Row swap, and we're going to do a second, and then a negative, some minus sign or negative sign. So that's a previous answer, and we just need to switch row 1 and row 2. Right, so hit enter. All right, so now we have 1 here. All right, next step is to turn 2 into 0. Right, so we multiply 1, first row, by -2, then add it to the second row. Right, so let's do that. Right, so go to matrix. Right, we're gonna do math. Right, then we're gonna do multiply and add. So we have that. Right, so we multiply by -2, so it's -2, comma. Then we take the previous matrix, right? So previous answer, right? Comma, right? We're going to multiply the first row, so we're going to first row 1, then add it to the second row, right? Right, then hit enter, right? So now we have 0 here, right? Then we want to go down to the second row. Then you see that this is the leftmost non-zero element, so this has to be 1. Right? So we're going to divide this guy through by -7. So we're going to do a matrix, right? And we're going to do math, right? Then we just need to multiply, so it's going to go up here, right? And we're going to do that, right? So we're going to multiply by, let's see, -1/7, right? Then comma, take the previous matrix, previous answer, right? Then we're going to multiply the second row, so indicate the second row, right? Hit enter. All right, now we got 1 here, so we have to turn this guy into 0, right? So we're going to go to matrix again, right? Do math and multiply and add, so we'll do that. All right, so we're going to multiply this second row by -3, so -3, right? Then previous answer, right? So multiply the second row, then add it to the first row, right? Then you will get the final matrix, right? So you get 1, 0, 1, 0. So the solution is x1 equals 5 and x2 equals 3, right? So let's type it in. So x1 is 5, oops, 5, and x2 is 3, right? Let's check the answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.